What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. I am a hairdresser, beautician, cosmetologist, therapist, whatever you want to call me, that's me. And today I'm going to show you how to color your hair, or at least your roots, with a bowl and brush. Okay, so I've shown y'all how to do your roots with the bottle method, and it's time for my roots to be done again. They're not awful, but they are there. So I figured I would take this opportunity to show you the other method, which is using a bowl and brush. So the same rules apply. Make sure that you are measuring your color accurately per what the manufacturer of the color wants you to. Make sure you saturate your roots. Don't be stingy with your color. You really want to make sure and get it on there. I personally like to start with the perimeter of my hair, and then I go through and go from like the middle all the way back down, and then we'll section it into like 4 quadrants and then work my way through that. Once you get done, get your gloved hands and kind of like massage it in, and that'll help to like get any spots that maybe you missed. And the best thing you can really do is if you have someone else at home with you, get them to check the back of your head. And if you have missed anything, they can help you with it. But if they're not at home, just really make sure and massage it in. And honestly, that should be fine because no one's going to be like lifting up under your hair to make sure the roots are covered up under there. And then at the end, if you want to add a little bit of water, like after it's processed the full time, get your hair wet and kind of like smush around the color and pull it through the ends. And if you have a little bit of color left, you can use that and add it too, and just like put it all over your head for a couple of minutes, and that will refresh the color. So those are my tips before we get started. And I'm probably just gonna like not talk during the process so we can get it on quick and easy. And that's another thing, you want to try to get it on as quickly as possible so that everything can just like process and be done with. Make sure that you have gloves, color brush, a bowl. Color remover is nice to have too, because you're probably going to get like color everywhere. I always get color all over myself when I do it, and I'm a professional. Not quite as messy on other people in the salon, but when you're doing it on yourself, it's just hard to not be messy. All right, y'all, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and do that. And if you find this video useful, make sure and hit that like button, and let's get started. Okay, so here we are. My roots are all done. And I guess I didn't mention, I guess I probably take like 1/2 inch, maybe 1/4 inch sections. The smaller the better, but as long as you're putting a lot of product on your brush, it's not that big of a deal, and then like really massaging it in. And as you can see, I'm a little messy. This is actually not my messiest. This is actually pretty tame. So I'm gonna clean up my face, let this process, and shampoo it out. I'll probably just, you know, put my head in the shower for rinsing purposes. I don't like to rinse my color when I'm like all the way in the shower. I just don't like the idea of like the chemicals all over my body. So that is my suggestion for you as well, but follow your heart and do your best not to get chemicals in your eyes either. All right, y'all, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see your beautiful faces next time. It's the Real Ray. Bye.